memento from our last together. It's for you. I'll keep my distance. Could I shake your hand?
Very nice to meet you.
No. We just tried to give Prince Harry a cup of tea to wall him off on this horrible day. He was interested but didn't try it out, unfortunately.
Because you've got so many people that want to be involved.
Thank you very much. In just over a year, the Invictus Games will be here on your doorstep in Sydney. And I hope that every single one of you and the whole country will get behind your servicemen and women that have sacrificed so much for this country and to keep you all safe.